Hello everyone, I'm Astra, your trainer, and welcome to this exciting session on sensors and components, brought to you by VS Tech Horizon. In today's session, we'll be diving into the essential components that make robots smart, functional, and capable of performing amazing tasks. From sensors to other key parts, we'll explore how these technologies power the future of robotics.
Let's jump in and start exploring the fascinating world of sensors and components that drive innovation.
Here is what we are going to learn today: what sensors are and how they work, the types of sensors robots use, what components are and how they help robots, how sensors and components work together to make robots come alive. Let's get started. Sensor detects their presence and the door opens. That's the power of sensors at work. Look at this example. When a person comes near, the sensor detects their presence and the door opens. That's the power of sensors at work. Sensors are like the robot's eyes, ears, and skin. They help robots sense their surroundings, just like we do. Sensors collect information and send it to the robot's brain or controller to decide what to do next. Here are some examples of sensors. Light sensors are like eyes. They detect brightness, colors, or light changes. Sound sensors are like ears. They listen to sounds and measure how loud they are. Touch sensors are like skin. They feel things like pressure or contact. Sensors help robots understand the world. Here's an example of a robot using sensors, just like our human body. This robot uses sensors to open and close its eyes. Cool, right? Let's talk about some popular sensors used in robots. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to detect objects in front of them. Light sensors like LDRs measure how bright or dark it is. Temperature sensors like DHT11 check how hot or cold the environment is. These sensors help robots react to different situations. Let's see how sensors work in real projects. IR sensors. This sensor detects a vehicle and opens a barrier. Ultrasonic sensors. They detect objects ahead to avoid collisions. Look at this arm. When it senses darkness, the light gets dimmer. This is the actual video showing how the sensor reacts to changes in light. Isn't that amazing? Now, see how the DHT11 sensor works. It detects the temperature and humidity and displays the values on the LCD screen. This is how robots can sense and show environmental conditions like a mini weather station. Sensors work in 3 steps. Detection. Sensors notice changes like detecting a hand. Data transmission. They send this data to the controller. Action. The controller decides what to do, like turning on an LED or moving a motor. Now let's talk about components. Components are the parts of a robot that make it move, light up, or make sounds. They act on the decisions made by the controller. Here are some common robot components. Motors help robots move or rotate. LEDs light up to show what's happening. Buzzers make sound for alerts. Servos allow precise movements, like lifting or turning arms. Let's see these components in action. Here's an example of how sensors and components work together. The IR sensor detects a hand. It sends the data to the controller. The controller turns on the LED as a response. Why are sensors so important? Without them, robots wouldn't see obstacles, couldn't hear or detect sounds, wouldn't understand their environment. And why are components important? Without them, robots couldn't move or perform actions, couldn't light up or make sounds. Together, sensors and components make robots smart and functional. Thank you for learning with us. You've seen how sensors and components work together to bring robots to life. See you in the next session. In the next session, we'll dive into programming for robotics. We'll learn about basic coding concepts like loops and conditions, how AI tools like ChatGPT can help with robotics. Get ready to make your robots smarter with coding.